is Neha Baweja. Today I'm going to talk about weight management and maintenance of weight, because weight loss definitely happens after a little bit effort or after following some major effort in a regular routine, but problem really comes to maintain the lost weight so that it doesn't rebound. So let us talk about certain regular precautions which we can actually make a lifestyle, and which we can actually adapt in our daily routine so that we doesn't face the problem of rebalancing of the weight. So first and the foremost important point is the hydration of the body. We should always try that at least 3 liters of water we consume a day, and out of which 2 glasses of water should be preferably consumed early morning, empty stomach, so that we can detox the body. We can use different kind of detox water, for which I'll be definitely sharing another video with you. And at the same time, 3 liters of the fluid can include some healthier kind of beverages as well, like maybe coconut water, maybe salted buttermilk, maybe salted lemon water also, or some kind of a fresh juice without salt, without sugar, and preferably should be strained with a thicker strainer, so that we get some fiber also along with it. So all these kind of fluids can be included on the regular basis. Number 2 important thing is that we should try and at least consume 2 fruits per day, which could be as per the availability in the season, and as per your therapeutic condition. You can choose any 2 fruits per day, so that it can be used as a filler, as well as you get the better quantity of dietary fiber also. Number 3 important thing is that we should try and avoid consuming packaged foods on regular basis. No matter it is a cookie, or it is some chips, or it is some kind of mayonnaise, anything, any process of packet food should not be a part of a daily routine. Once in a while, if you are consuming it, it will not play that much of the role, but if you are taking it on the regular basis, definitely it will create the issues. So we should try and use the natural form of natural form of snacks, like maybe roasted chanas, roasted nuts, roasted almonds, peanuts can be consumed, roasted makhanas can be there, some sprouted beans can be there. So all these better natural versions of protein rich items, which will not only give you protein, but at the same time will give you good quality of fat also, can be included in your regular diet. Next most important thing is caffeine, because most of us are working in the official kind of a routine, and we are actually addicted. To keep us active enough, we keep on having teas and coffees at regular intervals. So one thing is that we can actually substitute the healthier beverages, which I have already shared with you, like coconut water, salted buttermilk, and lemon water, or maybe green tea along with that. So all these things can be used in place of tea and coffee to reduce the quantity of caffeine we consume per day, and we should try and limit that. We should not go beyond 2 cups per day. Very importantly is that we can actually use some better quality and the better versions of flour, so that it gives you a better combination of carb and protein ratio, plus it gives you high fiber form and controls the sugar level as well. So along with the regular wheat atta, you can actually add some millet flour, some chana flour, some bran, some soya flour to your regular whole wheat atta, as per again your health status and the therapeutic condition also, what kind of a flour you need to add on. That's very important, but can be mixed with your regular flour to reduce the carbohydrate content, to improve the vitamin content of your roti, as well as to improve the protein content of your roti. That can also be used. Another very important thing is that moderation is a key. So we should always have a better control over the portion size of the food which we consume at the time. We should limit our food consumption, and we should try that we finish our food. We finish our last meal by 7:30 at night, so that the food get digested well in 3 hours, and then we can go off sleep. We should try and avoid late dinners. At the same time, we should always try that we eat a bit lesser than our appetite during a dinner time as compared to a lunch. So a lunch needs to be can be a little bit more heavier and healthier as compared to a dinner. Dinner should be something which should be quick to make because of our schedules, which should be easy to be digested, and we should try and finish it up by 7:30. So these are certain points we can actually use on the regular routine, small things which we can actually follow, and we can actually prevent and maintain a lost weight. Thank you.